Alex Bratton, the Chief Geek of LexTech here, and I wanted to talk for a moment about the persona in the Vision Pro. So specifically here you can see I've got side by side, and this is a newly captured persona. You'll notice the shirt is the same shirt I'm currently wearing. And one of the things that I heard early on was folks' reaction that the personas didn't feel very real. Now, it's been very, very interesting. Every single VisionOS update since the start has continued to add more realism to that, more to the texture of the skin, more to really just the level of detail, even in the eyes themselves. And that's been really exciting. So, from a latency perspective, being able to see the side by side, again, the hands, what that looks like compared to the real view, the key here is that this is about how do we better connect no matter where we are and no matter what our environment is. So for long distance business connections, this is going to be incredibly helpful, and it's going to help from a conversation and work equity perspective. My personal environment, whether I have something interesting behind me or something I really can't share with my coworkers, that goes away. And we don't have to use the silly virtual backgrounds and worry about trying to come up with some branding there. It's now much more focused on me and my communications and my facial expressions, which do come through very clearly with persona. So I think that this is going to allow us to better communicate as teams in some really exciting ways, especially as we go beyond the flat connections that we see here and get into much more three-dimensional video or three-dimensional connections. Not VR. This is still spatial computing, but better ways to really engage with each other.